I had a hell of a time removing the firing pin off of my Taurus PT 24/7 Pro C, so I'm making this video to show everybody that how to do that. Hopefully this is my first video I make about this, or that I post on YouTube, so hopefully it comes out pretty good and it helps everybody. So first of all, you want to make sure your gun is unloaded, so take out the clip. It's empty. Empty in there, as you can see. Empty. Now you take this little pin out, turn it down, and you just pull it out, just like that. I find it easier that if you pull the trigger as you slide this forward, it comes out a lot easier, so just like that. There you go. It's the inside, the slide. Take this out. Here's this, and this is what we're gonna be taking out right here to take out the firing pin assembly and all that. For that, you're gonna probably need a small screwdriver. If I can get this open, something like this, and I also got this just in case. So, I don't know if I can focus this in here. Excuse my daughter, she's having a sugar rush right now, I guess. This thing right here clips to a little metal plate under it. So you have to lift this up a little bit and push back. Lift this piece up a little bit and push back as you're lifting up. You got to be very careful because this can break, and then you have to order another part. So here we go. Stick it in here, lift it up a little bit, and see, you can see that it's starting to come out. And now you just remember to be very careful. I think it went back in, but anyways, up and out. There it is. As you can see, it has these little teeth right here that clip on to this metal plate. Let me see if this can focus. There's a little metal plate. Sorry about the lighting on this, it's pretty bad. But anyways, then you gotta push on the spring right here to get that little metal plate out. You gotta push this in and that will come out. Let me try that. I'll use this for that. See, it's already sticking out, the little metal plate. So you put your finger to cover the spring so it doesn't go flying everywhere. And you just pull this out, which there it is. This is the little metal plate I was talking to you guys about. And it should just slide right out. There's this, the actual firing pin. And there's another little small spring that you don't want to lose. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there. And I already cleaned it up, so I'm going to put this back together. Grab your firing pin, slide it in there. This little thing, number 2. Same thing. Here's that little metal thing I was telling you guys about. Just, oops. Stick it in there. Now you gotta push on that green spring, firing spring in there. Oh, came out. It's actually pretty easy. I'm just a little bit nervous since this is my first video. And it's also kind of hard to be recording and doing it at the same time. So, here we go again. You push it in. Oh, can I do that? And then you push that little thing down. You'll hear it snap back in there. Oh damn, was I recording that or was I off to the side? Anyways, there's that. Then you grab this little thingy-majigger again. You slide it in there. And it should clip on again to that little metal piece that I showed you guys. You hear it click, and that's basically it. Put it back together, just like that. That. Put this back in, make sure your barrel is all the way forward. And you gotta put it in sideways like this first. Stick it all the way in there. You turn it and push. Turn it like that, so it's in that position, and you push and you should hear it snap in. And that's it, you're done. Try it a couple of times. Looks like it's good. You're ready to go. Alright, hope this video helps a lot of people out, because I certainly had a hell of a time figuring it out. And I saw a couple videos on there, but they were more like slideshows. If you have any questions, please comment and rate, and hope everybody get some help out of this. Alright, I'm out.